Hell yeah.
Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Absolutely, yeah. Pick it up, and sometimes you gotta get mad with it. Show who's boss. Throw it down like that. Get in there. One more time. Don't go south. I know. Put the knee in. And that's how you roll the tongue. Nice.
Jack, so you can get your jack out? No, he's got that. Huh?
I'll be good.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. He's a professional, bro.
Wow. Well, no smack sticks.